Stainless Works is excited to announce our new Catback exhaust for the 5.7-liter Dodge Durango. Our Catback system is available in two sound levels, Redline and Legend. Our Redline system is designed to maximize the volume and tone of the engine, while eliminating any drone in the cabin. Our Legend system is designed with the daily driver in mind. It improves tone with a restrained loudness. Our full 3-inch system bolts to the existing factory flange connection just behind the catalytic converters. This system also features an X-pipe. This Catback system is available with two different tip options. We offer a 4-inch polished tip or 4-inch matte black tips. This Catback is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, and it is TIG welded for strength and beauty. All of our systems are proudly designed and made in the USA, right here in Cleveland, Ohio.